Hi, I'm Carolyn from GlassEyesOnLine, and it's June, so we're getting ready for our Christmas in July event. A portion of the proceeds from our sales will benefit the Alzheimer's Association. We're getting a jump start on our holiday craft decorating and gift ideas. If you're thinking about making a reindeer or snowman or a teddy bear or some other type of gift for the holidays, or perhaps a Christmas tree decoration, you'll want to have a stock of our flock noses in your craft supplies. Here is our triangle noses, the pink and the red, and of course the black. These look so cool on Rudolph. Here's the oval, black and pink. And the hearts, black, red, and pink. These black ones look cute upside down as a nose or right side up as a nose. And sometimes I've seen them used as eyes too. A couple of years ago, I used these in a really cute little purse that I made, red yarn. And you can use it to make a purse or to make a jewelry bag to put jewelry in when you're traveling. It's also a really cool idea to make a gift set for your friends and the crafters you love, where you can include some flock noses and maybe a tool, an insertion tool for the safety eyes. Here's our teddy bear with a flock nose. The flock triangle noses are available in size 8mm to 18mm in the colors you see here. The oval noses are available in size 8mm to 14mm in the colors you see here. And the flock heart noses are available in size 13mm, 15mm, and 18mm in the colors you see here. Don't forget to sign up for a chance to win GeoBear here. Drawing will be July 5th when we kick off our Christmas in July event. So we look forward to seeing you.